Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Tech Umbrella. Today's topic guarantees success in your career if you watch it completely. So stick around till the end and benefit from it. If you're new to the field of software development, the toughest part of learning programming is deciding where to begin. There are hundreds of programming languages in widespread use, each with its own complexities. It might be odd for you to select one. So let us do the heavy lifting. We are here to provide you with the best recommendation that we can. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, let's start with the popular kick. Does it matter if a programming language is popular? Yes, it kind of does. Think if the world's best coding language has no users? It's sort of like a proverbial tree that falls in the forest. It does not matter because no one is using it. And the last thing you want to do is invest money and time in learning a language that isn't widely used enough to land a job. Python is one of the most taught language in schools and universities over the world. It is general purpose coding language, which means that unlike languages like JavaScript, it can be used for other types of programming and software development besides web development. Python can be used for things like number 1. Backend or server-side web and mobile app development. Number 2. Desktop app and software development. Number 3. Processing big data and performing mathematical computations. Number 4. Writing system scripts, that is creating instruction that tell a computer system to obey a specific command. But don't let Python broad range scare you. Just like those more familiar sounding languages, Python is an easy to learn, in-demand programming language that can exponentially increase your chance of getting hired and income in a matter of months. Python is a rising star in the programming world for two main reasons. Number 1, the big range of tasks it can handle, combined with the fact that it's actually a very beginner-friendly language. Number 2, Python code syntax uses English keywords and that makes it easy for anyone to understand and get started with the language. For example, take a look at the code you would use to print the text "Hello World" on your screen using the programming language Java. That's a lot of code for such a simple function. Now take a look at the same exercise written in Python code. Python is being used by almost all tech giant companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Uber, etc. Which proves the worth of the language. So, are you still not going to learn this language? If don't, it is just your loss. Java is mandatory if you want to succeed in the software industry. An enormous amount of applications on website will not work unless you have Java installed. And more are created every day. Denying yourself? Java is akin to denying yourself access to the technological infrastructure. Java is advertised and esteemed for its fast performance, security and reliability. Java is a programming language expressly designed for use in the distributed environment of the internet. It was designed to have the look and the feel of C++ programming language, but it's simpler to use than C++ and enforces an object-oriented programming model. Java has become invaluable to developers by enabling them to write software on one platform and run it on virtually any other platform. Create programs that can run within web browser and access available web services. Develop server-side or backend application for online forums, stores, polls, HTML form processing and more. Write powerful and efficient application for mobile phones, remote processor, microcontrollers, wireless modules, sensors, gateways, consumer products and practically any other electronic devices. So, you might ask this question, why is Java such a popular choice among the modern day software developers? The answer lies primarily with the exhaustive testing updating, and consistency of delivery that Java has historically provided. Java has been tested, refined, extended, and proven by dedicated community of Java developers, architects, and enthusiasts. Despite origins dating back almost 2 decades, Java has consistently evolved over the years. 9,367 companies reportedly use Java in their tech stacks, including Uber, Netflix, Spotify, and Google. This in itself is an immeasurable feat. While the world of technology is constantly advancing at what seems like a faster than ever pace, people, even coders, have an unfortunate tendency to forget about the origins, the underlying principles, the ideas which influence an abundance of modern day technology. This is why Java is important, because not only does it continue to be vital and invaluable programming language today, but it shaped the manner in which technology would unfold in the coming 2 decades and continue to unfold for the unforeseeable future. Python and Java are two very different programming languages, but both can be useful tools for modern developers and data scientists. If you're thinking about learning to code for the first time, then you might find Python easier to pick up. Python syntax is designed to be intuitive, and its relative simplicity allows newbies to hit the ground running. Conversely, Java has a stepper learning curve, but is known for its portability and performance. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions or recommendation for us, comment below. They may become future videos. If you want to support us, like, share and subscribe.